Hey guys, what's up? Today I will make short video. It's about Colt 1911. It's it it's not new, but I have pretty long time. But the reason why I'm doing this is because I always been fascinated with actually this amount of details. I don't know you were able to see. Let me show you as closer as possible to still not be blurry. I don't know how well you can see this. This wooden grip. I have here also black one, also wooden grip. This one with plastic grip. Let me try to cock it. Let me try to actually disassemble. These parts are so small, I'll still try just more. I always have a little bit problem with it's so small. Let me try. I may need a little bit help with this. Okay, here we go. I suggest don't try at home with a knife and anything sharp because I mean you will damage, scratch your gun. Oops. Take that barrel out. Okay guys, that would be all. I really hope you enjoy in this video, and if you really did and if help you in any kind of way, please subscribe. I would appreciate. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.